Hi guys, Vanessa here. Today's video we are going to be reviewing my Boxycharm. So as you can tell, it's already opened. I did open this box this month because I opened it and I always like to preview what's in my month's box before coming on camera so I know what products to apply to the face prior to sitting down. So I thought that this box should be more of like my thoughts now that I've tried everything out, and also letting you guys know what I would repurchase based on my thoughts on what I tried in this month's box. So does that make sense? So this month's box theme is lucky. Since it's March, we have St. Patty's Day coming up, and then let's just jump right in. So I'm going to insert some clips in the corner of the video to show you guys how I apply the products, because most of the products in this box actually are skincare, which I'm not mad at because sometimes I like skincare. I mean, more than actually makeup itself. So let's jump right in. So the first thing that I was really excited to get in this month's box is Banana Soulful Moisture Cream. This is by Glow Recipe, which is one of my favorite brands. You know that I love so much the watermelon mist, glow mist. So this is what the moisturizer looks like. It's just a nice lightweight moisturizer. This does have the banana scent, but it's very lightweight. It's nothing very strong. I actually did enjoy this cream. It's a nice moisturizer if you want something lightweight, if that makes sense. It's not something that's going to give you a ton of moisture. But it felt nice and it smelled good. Like I said, the banana scent is not overpowering. And that cream retails for $39, which is an amazing value being in the box. And then next products that we tried out were the Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. This is what the packaging looks like. These retail for $18 and it comes with a 3-pack. I did use one. Also, I'll show a video of me applying just some simple little under eye masks. The only thing I did not like about these under eye patches is that it said to apply for 15 minutes, which is quite a long time, especially because these little jellies you'll see in the video don't really stay on the under eyes. They kind of like fall and they're just really flimsy jelly like, so they kind of were just falling off. My favorite are by Wonder Beauty. They actually are like almost like a tape because they stick to under eye and still have that moisturized effect. So these are nice to try out, but again, I wasn't blown away by these. They're great. I'll use them, of course, but I wouldn't repurchase them. And then next thing in the box that we got is a Lime Crime. This is a Venus 3 palette. This retails for $38. Again, really nice high value in the box. This is nice. This is what it looks like. You get a nice mirror. And then this is the color scheme that we're working with. I did use it on the eyes today, as you can tell. So I did enjoy this palette. It was very pigmented and it was easy to build up. The only thing I would say is that it has a lot of kickback when you're dipping your brush in, more than usual in my opinion. And also I did not like that two shades, this shade and this shade, were a little bit hard to apply on the eyelids. But the other shades, I did use like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other 5 shades, no, the other 4 shades, sorry, did perform well. So that was great to have in the box. Next thing we have this lip oil, as what they call it, Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil, and this retails for $20. So this kind of threw me off. In the video you'll see me using it again. In the video you'll see me quite surprised because when I think of lip oil I think of like a serum, thinner, lightweight formula, and this is actually more like a lip gloss. Yeah, it's a little bit on the thicker side, but again, nothing tacky. It's actually really nice, but it's really nice. I feel like I could use this even before bed. The only thing I don't like is the scent. The scent doesn't, I don't know. The scent I don't really like. It's a little strong, but again, I'll use it. And then last but not least, we got the Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. Now this setting spray looks like this. The packaging is really cute. The mist is really nice. When I read that it said rose water, I was like, oh no, I'm not gonna like this, because sometimes things that are rose scent are a little bit overwhelming for me. But this doesn't have a crazy rose scent, and the mist is quite nice, so I do like it. Now, one thing that I was seeing on Boxycharm's Instagram is that it talked about it being, let's see, how much is this? Hold on. This is $22, and this is supposed to be to lock in your makeup and not smudge. So I got the Camo Elf foundation right here. I'm going to, did I apply too much? I applied too much. I'm going to apply 2 swatches of foundation. I'm going to cover one up. I'm going to cover up this one up here because it's a little smudged. And oh my god. Let's see. I'm going to cover it. Covered the top swatch closer to my hand because I want to see if the bottom one smudges. So I'm gonna let it sit. And how much is this value? This retails for $22. Wow. Let's see. Let's try it with the Fenty Pro Longwear foundation. The CC cream was not working. It didn't work. It's a cream base, so not really smart of me. So let's see. Okay, so I just sprayed this one right here for this from the wrist. No, it ain't smudge proof. But I will give it this, that it smells good. The mixture is great. Maybe it does make your makeup last, so that's good enough for me. Smudge proof, I mean, no, it's not. But anyways, who cares? The point is that I actually really do like this setting spray. So that is it for the box, guys. This is what came in my Boxycharm. So this month's box was actually worth it for me because, like I said, I love skincare. So this is definitely a win because I love the brand. I love Glow Recipe. The only thing is that it's not the most moisturizing face creams, but I still like it on days that I want something very light. It's pleasing. It is moisturizing. I'm just saying it's on a thinner consistency. And I think it's perfect even for like the warmer months when I don't want something so heavy on the skin. Definitely like that. And then the other thing that I actually like is just the setting spray. The eyeshadow palette is nothing out of this world. It didn't wow me. The lack of pigmentations of some shadows, it's alright. It didn't wow me. And then these, I don't like the jelly eye mask, under eye mask, because they just fall off and I have to like lay back and stay still. Sometimes I don't have that time of day. I mean, of course you could do it at night, but I like the ones that just stick so I can do the things around my house and wear eye mask. And then this is something I would use, but not something I would go out to buy. So like I said, the only 2 things I love about this box is this and this. So this is like well over $25. This is, of course, what did I say is the face cream was $39. So it's a win already there, getting just the face cream. But that completes the box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my Boxycharm. So please comment down below and let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this way of me doing my unboxing for Boxycharm. Do you like for me to try everything out, come here and let you guys know what I would repurchase once I use the product and I've gone through the product? Or do you like to see like first impressions and me actually using it on camera. Please let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of unboxing my Boxycharm. Also, please don't forget to follow me on IG. I am very active on my Instagram. It is tutorials_with_ness. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.